Hey everybody, this is Melissa Rickman with Holy Stromboli in Fort Lupton, Colorado, and a member of the World Pizza Champions team. And while I'm a pro at pizza, dancing is kind of a new thing for me. And I am excited to be a part of this year's Dancing with the Stars of Weld County. So hang on to your hats, it's gonna be a great show. Holy Stromboli is representing the Fort Lupton Boys and Girls Club. And I couldn't be more excited to be a part of this project. It is our mission to give back to our community in a meaningful way. And I couldn't think of a more fun and exciting way than to take part of Weld County Dancing with the Stars. So thank you so much for letting us be a part of this and give back to the community that has given so much to us. Okay, here's the deal. I need you to vote for me, okay? Because thankfully this really isn't based on my ability to dance, but it is based on my ability to raise money for a great cause. And look, we all know that this year has been tough, freaking so hard, and there's so many folks out there that are struggling right now, and kids need something to do. And so by you supporting me and voting for me, we're gonna raise a ton of money for the Boys and Girls Club and enrich the lives of so many people. It's gonna blow your mind. So you're gonna need to vote for me so that I can support our community and do great things. So remember, vote for Melissa Rickman, Holy Stromboli, not George Gray.